What's up, everyone? Lee here, the bartending, photo boothing, rental guy. Welcome to my vlog for this week. All right, let's check it out. We're almost at 1,000 subs. We're like 15 away, so that's kind of a big deal. So it's gonna be a long, boring video, but I mean, 1,000 subs is a big thing, so I've maybe got enough watchers that people might like to see some of these clips. So I've been working hard to get to this point, so I hope you enjoy this boring ass video. If not, click into one of my more interesting ones.
Hey everyone, I'm Levi. I'm the photo booth renting boy. Welcome to my video. Actually, it's my dad's video.
What's up, guys? Lee here, bartending, photo boothing, rental guy, and
Levi here too.
And Levi here. Welcome to our vlog this week. What's up, guys? It's Lee here. I am the bartending, photo boothing, rental guy, and today I want to show you how I did a tent install and then left, but then I came back and they were taking down, and I just want to show you. Oh, I got all flustered there. Okay, let's try that again. What's up, guys? As you see, I'm running out of space, hitting my head on everything, having to move everything around to move something else. It's good times. Anyways, welcome to my vlog for this week. What's up, guys? It's Lee here. I am the bartending, photo boothing, rental guy, and it's happened. All us rental guys, we're always worried about our wives being mad at us, which is very fair because we're always gone and we're doing things. My solution is to incorporate your wife into the mix somehow. And this is how I did it. So there's Jen, the bartending, photo boothing, rental girl. There's Levi, the bartending, photo boothing, rental kid. And there's... What'd you say?
Clean chairs.
Clean chairs. Yeah, he cleans chairs. I clean chairs, he says. Yeah, so this is our very first little decor endeavor. If you've seen any of my past videos of me building the barrels there and then making them as barrel light poles or barrel bars, this is the newest addition, is a barrel arch with a little decor kit added on. So, yeah. What's up, guys? It's Lee here. I am the bartending, photo boothing, rental guy. And today is Wednesday. What does that mean? It means it's the day in between when all the rentals are back and the day before all the rentals are going out. So I only had 2 pickups today, so everything's in disarray. We've got the whole crew cleaning chairs here, and then we're making sure there's no rips in the tents and all that stuff. So Wednesday's cleaning day. What's up, guys? Lee here. I am the bartending, photo boothing rental guy, and I'm just gonna go over my morning routine with you, just so you know what I do. So I get out of bed, and then I message customers who need to return. So I send them a message saying, hey, your rentals are due back today. And then once I do that, then I accept payments for the day, so that I know to mark them on my inventory that goes out for that specific date. So I've got a little sheet in here where next to my bookings, and on every date I just mark what inventory is going out that day so I don't get confused. And then after that, I do quotes for the day, so I can, every time a quote comes in, I can check on that inventory for the date. And then after I send the quotes out for the day, then I'm free to get the customers coming in, or go out and do the rentals, or do whatever I need to do. So that's my office work. I try to get it done in the first two hours of the day. So anyways, thanks for watching. What's up, guys? It's Lee here. I am the bartending, photo boothing rental guy, and today we're going to talk about propane. Propane is awesome because, well, with patio heaters anyways, that's the only thing that I'm currently using it for is patio heaters. But when they come back, like, look at this gauge here. The propane is, well, that one's like halfway, but like this one right here, oh, okay, well, they're like almost full, so it's gonna cost me next to nothing to refill them. They very rarely come back fully empty, so there's always that. So you charge for propane, but then you get that money back. So yeah, so see there, 9 pounds of propane for 3 tanks, so that's pretty good. So in this next video, these are a few of the very first items that I put on my rental company website. I don't know what I was thinking. I had the 10 by 20 light duty tent. And when I say light duty, I mean like the second time that I ever set it up, it just broke on me. And it was terrible. The little pop-up bar from PV Mart, actually it went out quite a few times, but it's garbage. It's garbage is what it is. The aluminum cocktail tables, they're just so weak. I mean, yeah, they went out a lot, but then they ended up breaking. So look at all this crap that I started with. Don't be like me and don't start out just renting absolute garbage crap. Buy some quality stuff, and it'll be more worth your while. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed, then please sub to the channel. 15 of you anyways. All right. Thanks for watching.